Welcome back to Pantherwavecrownvics. Another pro tip of the day. Well, I wouldn't say pro tip of the day, but I'll just say product use. Today's product use is a Meguiar'S quick interior detail cleaner wipes. Interior quick deal cleaner wipes. So nice product here. Safely cleans all interior surface, restores and protects the original appearance. Extra soft cloth for premium performance. Let's check it out and see what it does. So I was testing it out and it did pretty good, but I learned a couple of things while using it. So I'll just show you real quick. So you got a brand new one. And use a little holder there, close it up. So I'll learn a little tip. So you can fold this any type of way that you would like. So another good tip to use is to have a microfiber towel. Have your microfiber cloth towel. So you know how you make your wipe. Most times, some people make the wipe and just leave it like that. So what happens is it leaves that little film, right? So what you want to do is go ahead and do your wipe. Go ahead and do your wipe, right? So you take your wipe and do it, but then take your microfiber towel right after, and you're getting that last bit of moisture off, and it's basically like you're polishing it. All right, so it's nice and clean. Get that last. Looks like new. There's no strong odors, just a fresh, clean smell. Keeps it looking nice and clean. Like I say, this is Meguiar'S quick interior detail cleaner wipes. If there's something that you would like to use, make sure you check it out. Thanks for watching Pantherwave and Crown Vics.